Kyoto, the heart of Japan's cultural heritage, is a city of timeless beauty. Today, we explore Sagano, near the Arashiyama mountain. A place where nature, history, and spirituality meet. Let's begin our journey. Our day starts at Togetsukyō Bridge, one of the symbols of Arashiyama. As we cross, it's clear Arashiyama is a favorite for many, from tourists to school trip students. The place has such a good vibe, but it's also quite busy too. The main attraction is the Arashiyama bamboo grove. So instead of following the crowd, we decide to take a different path. In this video, we will try to show you what is the real Arashiyama. A place that people should explore more. But what is Arashiyama? First, it means Storm Mountain. But the place is known more as Sagano. It has been a retreat for the elite since the Heian period, over 1,000 years ago. It's been a place for contemplation and leisure, offering a peaceful contrast to the energy of Kyoto. While Arashiyama is well known for its bustling bamboo grove, today we will showing you a different side. One that's quieter, richer, and perfect for those who are seeking a tranquil experience. History is everywhere in Japan. It is something I really like. On this street, just in front of this field, 4 sculptures have a story to tell. They are the Big Four of Tosa. They were rebels against the shogunate. All of them died young, tragically, before the transition to the Meiji era. I hope to speak more in the next episode, as we will meet them back in the future. So keep updated. Next, we head to Jojakkoji Temple, a place that seems to invite you to slow down and breathe. This temple is very busy when autumn comes. With 200 maple trees, the place is well known to display wonderful colors in November. This temple isn't on the main tourist trail, and that's what makes it special. Here we spend hours just wandering through this green lush, feeling in peace with this calm atmosphere. If you want to know more about this place's histories or just enjoying a full experience, we have made another video just about this place. You will find a link in the description. This place was so fun to visit as it looked like a maze. From Jojakkoji Observatory, on the top of the Garden Temple, we could see Sagano area and beyond, with Kyoto. This temple is one of many that show the rich history of Sagano and Kyoto. As you can see, Arashiyama is more than just a bamboo forest, where people just stop. There is much more to explore, and we are not finished yet. Come along with us. Do you remember our previous video in Osaka? We speak about the mascot that represents Dotonbori and Shinsekai district. There is a special statuette that we have found many times here. They are Tanuki. If you look carefully, you can see a lot of those ceramic figurines in Kyoto. They are appreciated as a lucky charm since the Meiji period and are often placed near home entrance as a sign of prosperity. They are from Shiga prefectures, made in Shigaraki town, an area known for its pottery made with good quality clay. Next, we venture further into the limit of Arashiyama. We are walking more north. This place is a residential area called Saga Toriimoto. Once was called Adashino. This place is known as a preserved street. It has a special nostalgic charm with well-preserved traditional machi houses. But this place have a sad past, as it was a long time ago a burial site for the dead in Kyoto. This is Adashino Nenbutsuji. This temple tells a different story, one of remembrance. Since the Heian period, the mountain was a graveyard and was once used for sky burials, leaving the body of the dead exposed to the elements. Here, you will find 8,000 small stone statues, each representing a soul. They stand in quiet rows, honoring the spirit of the dead. These statues come from the Heian, Kamakura, Muromachi and Edo periods. Those abandoned Buddha statues were collected from the mountain and then arranged and enshrined around a main Buddha statue. The main temple was established in the 8th century by the famous monk Kukai, but the statues have been gathered long after from Meiji. But people come also for a famous sightseeing spot, a bamboo forest. As we walk through the temple's bamboo forest, we find ourselves almost alone. It is a big contrast to the more famous bamboo grove next to the Arashiyama train station. We are now on the top of the temple. The beauty of this short bamboo alley makes us forget that we are still in a spiritual place. We are now leaving the temple and heading south to see the Sagano River, but we got a big surprise with these two tanuki who tell us a goodbye. As the day ends, we head back toward the heart of Arashiyama. This is the Hozugawa River. With its gentle flow, it offers a perfect spot at the end of the day. The Hozu River is a very scenic place with boats that gently downstream from Kameoka to Arashiyama. And the place changes all year round. In autumn, when the maple leaves change color, or in spring, when the Japanese cherry tree blooms at the sakura season. Nearby, we discover the Kimono Forest, a collection of beautiful pillars wrapped with traditional kimono fabric. It's an interesting fusion of art and tradition, perfect for the end of our journey. As you can see, Arashiyama has so much to offer than just famous spots. By stepping off the beaten path, we have discovered a quieter, richer side of this town. If you're planning to visit, take the time to explore beyond the obvious. You won't regret it. As we return to Kyoto, we feel refreshed, but also a bit tired. Next time, we will go to another part of the Kansai with an even more older capital of Japan, famous for its history and its very cute deer. This is Nara. Until then, keep exploring and finding your own path. See you in the next adventure.